Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting Google Timeline now. Open Google Maps on your phone or computer and sign into the Google account you'll use. Once signed in, go straight to Settings, then Location History, turn it on. Also make sure web and app activity is enabled because Timeline relies on both. Without them, Places won't save. After toggling these features, wait a few minutes and verify your device's location services and permissions are granted, so Google Maps can record accurate movement data for Timeline. You'll now view and refine your timeline. Open Maps, tap your profile icon, then choose your timeline. Pick a date to load that day's recorded route, places, and timestamps. Review the automatic path and stops. If a place is wrong, tap the location entry to edit the label or move the pin. You can also delete specific visits. Once done, use the timeline controls to play back the day or switch between day, month, and year to spot missing or duplicated segments you may need to adjust. Finish by exporting or adjusting privacy settings. Use Google Takeout to download timeline data if you want a backup. If you prefer not to be tracked, turn off location history or pause it. Remember, that stops future logging but doesn't delete past data. If timeline shows gaps or wrong routes, check your device GPS accuracy, battery saver, app location permission, and account sync. Toggling location services off and on often forces a fresh update. If needed, clear Maps cache or sign out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.